Welcome. Hope everyone is well. Hope you're all well. Welcome to the CPI session with your president. This is what we have so far. Currently long on NAS 100. If you are on our group, you would know that we took this buy at 21,673. I'm simply gonna close it at quarter past, somewhere there, or 20 past, since we have news coming. So if you took this, I don't know, depending on your rules, I'm gonna close it shortly. Let's do a recap of our trade earlier on. So I came out of that buy on, that sell on euro dollar, simply because it was not moving. So I think I took a $3 loss on our Choppers Octa account, right? Our small account, there it is there. So it was on $42, $43. So I took $3 loss there. This is the balance that we have currently. So stop loss was around $6 or so, but the reason why I closed it is that it was not moving at all, and I sent this on the group as well, just to give the guys a heads up that normally when we trade, it must take off almost immediately, right? If it doesn't take off immediately, something is wrong, right? That's how we normally do our thing. If it doesn't take off, something is usually wrong, right? So this is what I sent on the group. It doesn't want to take off, so this is when I close the trade, because it was just playing around and not wanting to take off, right? Then I sent around 2-1 to say I might close it. Mr. Mbesi said I closed it already, waiting for CPI. ND was holding, Kanyiso was holding, and 10 minutes later I said just close, would wait for CPI, right? So I wanted to see if it was going to close like this at quarter past. I think it was quarter past, I can't remember what time. I said I might re-enter, right, if it was giving me that candlestick, right? So it did not. I did not get the rejection candlestick. So this is what I said to the group. Only if we close with the rejection, I was gonna take a sell again there. Andy then says gold is looking good to buy on H1. I was not looking at gold at that time. So I then said send this. I want to go long on NAS 115 minutes, right? This is a price where I was looking at these two rejection candlesticks there, the way they were rejecting, and I was like, here there might be something. Let me zoom it out for you guys. So I was like, here there's something there, and yeah, I took it, and this is when I took it. So I was very close also to my TP point, took that NAS 100. So yeah, this is where we are currently, right? I'm gonna close that Nasdaq. So I didn't take this Nasdaq, unfortunately, on our account. I took it on the proper account. I didn't take it on our what do you call this account? The Choppers account. So I want to trade that account live only with you guys. I don't want to trade it on only on the stream, right? Only on the stream. That's how I want to grow that account and trade it with you guys and share some ideas with you guys, right? So this is where we are. yeah, so we are looking good. We are looking good. Not bad. We are looking good for the day. Who do we have? Brett Mutasa is in the building. Sir Brett, good to see you, my friend. Sangi is in the house. Tidis is in the house. Same first man on the ball. Thank you, sir. You're always beating these records. Lucy was asking, is watching from Nairobi. Kindly look at NAS 100. So I then responded, currently long on NAS 100. There it is there. Afternoon choppers. That's SG, our Secretary General there. Lucy saying, how does one enter your group? All right. So to enter the group is very simple, Lucy. You don't have to pay a thing. You don't have to do much. You just use the link down below there. You see there where it's written, I trade using Octa. You just click on it, sign up, fund your account. Minimum deposit is $25. You can put $1 million if you have. You can put 50,000 if you have. Right? You just sign up, fund your account, and you let me know. Then I'm gonna add you on the group. Right? That's it. So you can join my team there and we work together, right? Right, choppers, let's do the right thing. Subscribe and like, subscribe and like, subscribe and like. We've got news coming. Half past 3, we have core CPI month to month, CPI month to month, CPI year to year at 3:30. Are you ready, guys? Let me know if you're ready. We're doing this today. There's that euro dollar. Who's still holding that euro dollar we took? Who's holding? Please let me know in the comment section there. Andy was holding. Nkanyuso was holding. I don't know if you guys took your TPs or what you did there. Let me know there on the comment section there. I would love to know. My take was, and someone was asking me why do I want to sell there, right? The reason why I wanted to sell there is that retail traders always want to buy at this point, making a new high and continue to the upside, right? So I know a lot of retail traders are committed there, and the market maker is only saying I was playing with you guys, right? So with me is that I think I entered too early. I think I entered too early. I was supposed to wait a bit, because if I entered, let's say at this point, right, this rejection here, if it was the nicest one, my stop loss was gonna be, let me see, ATR at that particular point, 5. So ATR times 2, 10 pips still. I was still gonna be safe, right? I was still gonna be safe and aim for 1:2 here. So, but yeah, my entry was just too early, man. I think my entry was premature, right? But yeah, it happens. It happens. Sometimes you enter early and you regret, but it's fun as long as I took a small loss on it. And I know one could say, Mr. President, never use a stop loss. There's nothing I have not tried. For me to be where I am today, in all the 10 years I've been trading. There's nothing I haven't tried. I've tried that before. Yeah, so the news. All right, I'm going to close my NAS so that I can give some room for partial close this position. Yes. Okay, so I've closed my NAS there. Remember, like I said, I did not use our account on this one here. Can we continue liking the stream? Lucy, did you get that? You know what to do, right? To join our private group. McDonald is asking about US30. Killen is saying, I'm buying US30, Mr. President. So my take on this was break above, retest 44,600. Look to buy this thing, right? Let's have a clean chart on it. POC is at this low here. I break above, all good for a buy for me. For US30, break above my POC level at 44,600. Then I can be comfortable to look for buying opportunities. Don't forget, guys, we still have our sticky note, right? Sticky note. Don't forget. So we've got a sticky note for New York. Sticky note works, guys. It works all the time. It works. I think I'm going to publish all my sticky notes in a museum one day, in a Forex museum. We've got some notifications coming. Andy saying is out. Andy sold gold. All right. Andy sold gold. Andy, my friend, are you gonna be trading? Are you gonna be are you gonna be exposed on this trade during the CPI, or what's your plan there, my friend? Let me know. I don't know, man, but I think I'm happy with progress for today. Took nice buys there on NAS 100. 80% to TP, not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, let's wait for the news, guys. There's a lot we can analyze, but until we have the news hit, there's not much we can do. So let's just wait for the news to hit. Okay, let me remove this because we are out of this trade now. Oh, look at that euro dollar, man. Painful stuff. Painful stuff. All right. And is going out on that trade. She's not that is in the house. Lucy say, yeah, got it. Yeah. Looking forward to welcoming you in the group, Lucy. Sign up. That's it. You just sign up and you're good to go. Free stuff. All right, Ntlanganipo. Afternoon, Choba. Sorry, I'm late. Who took the sell on gold? Andy took a sell on gold. Who else? Chobas, talk to me. What's happening? You quiet this morning or this afternoon? What are you trading? So I think I showed you in the morning how you calculate your risk on a small account, right? When we took that trade on euro dollar. Right, let's put the euro dollar here on the charts and let's see what we are having there, right? So if we were still holding this trade by now, it would be out, obviously, just before the news, because you know, with the news, anything can happen. You can find a big candle coming here, right? Or it can be the opposite, where you find a big candle coming here. So that's why I don't really trade the news, man. But yeah, let's observe, and we are here to trade, guys. Let's trade. Let's trade. If you just joined us, please like the stream and subscribe if you haven't. Right, 61% of you are saying you are buying euro dollar CPI, 39% are saying selling. Let's see. So in the next few seconds, we would know what's happening. Let's go. CPI. Are we having a strong dollar or a weak dollar? Let's see. All the best to those of you that have already taken trades. All the best. Best of luck. Let's see. There we go. Look at that sell. How many retail traders bought at that level? My God. Look at that. Look at that. Can you imagine? And our sell was just here. I know what is going through your head, Mr. President. You should have let us hold that trade. It happens, my friend. Look at that. Retail traders have committed at this level. I can tell you that without a doubt. And especially when they saw this new high, they're like, let's go up. That's why I was saying, guys, I don't trade like that. I don't trade like that. It's experience at times. Whew, 42 pips move. Gold down by 1%. Andy, my friend, if you did not close this, you're going to buy a Rolls Royce the first thing in the morning, my friend. If you did not close this one here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at my Nasdaq. Why? Look at the gap on Nasdaq, man. Why I came out of Nasdaq. I hope you came out of that Nasdaq, because we hit like 80% to TP. We took what we had on the table. I hope you closed Nasdaq. I'm just hoping. US 30 also down. We are just below this level here. I want to see something on 1 hour. Strong dollar there coming. Sure. I think we have the best job in the world. I don't know what you guys think, man. But in my opinion, I think this is the best job in the world. Especially when you win it, right? Especially when you win it. WTI, not really much going on there, but remember WTI doesn't really care about the news. Yeah, Andy's crying there about gold. You see, my friend, but you did the right thing, because imagine that candle, if it was against you, you would be crying for days now. Lloyd Love in space is saying buys on gold. My friend, if you bought gold, you are crying. If you bought gold, you are crying. Gold is now trading at $2,866 an ounce. Sure. Tell me if we are not having the best job in the world. Aaron is saying he chopped gold. I will trade after the news event. I just want to see direction. That is Tlanganipo there. Sange is saying gambling this thing, eh? You know, my my take on gambling, my good sir. Everything in life is gambling. I could be talking to robots here, thinking that I'm talking to human beings. Everything is gambling in life. You could be on the stream and thinking that I'm live, only to find out this thing, it was pre-recorded. Yeah, I like what I see. Right, now let's see, where are we entering? So we are out on euro dollar. Oof, man, this euro dollar, beautiful, beautiful setup. Market maker does this all the time, but there's one thing that I also want to put to your attention. Just be careful at this level here. Mark this price, $1.03, 134. Is it only me? I hope they don't. I hope my stream will not. They will not end my stream. You know, sometimes when I say some funny things on the stream, it cuts off from nowhere. I hope after what I'm gonna say, no one is gonna cut it off. Look, is it only me? But is it Trump running as president, or is it Elon Musk? What's going on there? What's the arrangement there, man? You know, I saw what is this? I don't know if it was a press conference or what. I saw Elon Musk with his son there at the Oval Office, right? For those of you who don't know, the Oval Office is the president's, that president, not this one, right? Here, this is my Oval Office. So it's the Oval Office is the office of the president of United States, right? Apparently it's oval, it's round and whatnot. So it was so weird, man. This guy is having his son there. His son's name is X or something. The arrangement was so weird, and I saw people's comments saying it's cute. This man is extremely busy. So it's good when he has his child there as a father. That's nonsense, man. There's a family time. Imagine if I come on the stream and I'm having my daughter here all the time. How it shows how I don't take you guys serious. Because kids are kids, man. They will interrupt. They'll be wanted, so they can take off my attention from what I'm trying to. And the young boy was doing that while Elon was talking. He was talking, you know. I'm like, what arrangement is this? To join the car. I don't know. It's funny, man. It's funny. But it's okay. I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments. Choppers, you're sleeping on me today. I don't know what is happening there. Let me know what is happening there, man. The arrangement is so weird. It's official. Nasdaq is down by 1%. If I go to the heat map, I'm sure the dollar is all green. There you go. The dollar is all green. I'm wondering what's happening with the AUD USD. Japanese is weak as well. I think Japanese and AUD weakest for the day. Look at German. My analysis in the morning was this. We at least come at 22,000. Did I mark it here? Okay, 22,000. I have it here on the sticky note, right? 22,150 was where I was looking to sell. And then WTI I was looking to buy above $72.85 a barrel. Euro dollar I was selling at $1.03.704. Put stop loss on break even when I'm 60% to TP. That was the plan for this. Yeah, Aaron, you're right. You know, we have 47 people watching, but few people have liked the stream. Guys, it doesn't take anything away from you. It's a way of showing appreciation and support to our channel, right? Which is your channel, by the way. So just like the stream, man. Can you guys give me some trade ideas? Can I get some trading ideas? Let's keep the stream running. Let's keep it moving. We need to grow our account. It's currently sitting at $39.43, right? We need to grow it, guys. We need to grow it. Let's trade. WTI is not moving anywhere. It's just in one place. I think my interest is going to come on I think I'm considering gold sell continuation. I'm just looking at this distance here. I just want to measure that distance on 5 minutes. It's not really much. So gold was down by 1%. I think we might revisit that 1% again. I don't know. Bitcoin, we are almost there, guys. Let's hang on. We've been holding this for like a week now. Let's hang on. We're almost there. One person asked me yesterday, President, was it Monday? Why don't you put stop loss on break even on Bitcoin? I said, nope. I'm going to let it run. We sold at 99,000. I'm going to keep it. At that. So we are almost there, guys. Let's keep the spirit, the momentum. We are still good on Bitcoin. NAS 100 is down by 1%. So yeah, I'm considering selling gold again. I want to see how we handle $2,878 an ounce there. I want to see how we handle that. Might be going in there for a sell. So 2878. I want to see how we're going to be holding that level there. Sure. Look at that on German. Now this type of trades is what I like, right? Can I have a clean chart on this? I think I'm gonna also take German, right? With your permission, can I take this on the Chopper's account? I wanna see how we handle this level here. I think I'm gonna wait for something like this then. There you go. That's my take on German. They're rather saying, do you backtest a pair index before you commit to trading it live, MJ? Do you mainly rely on your way of trading? Yeah, so everything that I trade here, I've backtested it. I've got serious hours on it. So before, if let's say the live stream is in the morning, I normally have like my sticky notes, right, where I would have a look at it. It's either 7 a.m. in the morning with the team or on my own. I will look at pairs or assets that interest me, have it like on my sticky notes the way I have it here, right? And when I come to the live stream, I already know what I'm gonna look at. Okay, but everything that you see here is already back tested, and I'm happy with the performance. Hence, I can take it at any given time. So yeah, I back test everything. Right now, the when it comes to my portfolio, the best performing asset is WTI, followed by German 40. It's performing quite well in my books. Mabaso Juni saying, what's your view on USD Japanese looking at daily time frame, seeing a bearish opportunity? Let's have a look at it. I don't know when was the last time I looked at the USD Japanese. So some pairs I only look at them since you guys ask for me to have a look at. I don't really trade this. Oof. But this yeah. This here is beautiful, and I'll tell you why I say it's beautiful, right? Retail traders, they wanna sell at this point. To think that it's a continuation, more or less this setup there, Mabaso, is more or less the same as the euro dollar that we took today for a sell. Retail traders, they want to sell here and this thing buys. So with the euro dollar, we knew that the retail traders, they'll want to buy here because they are looking at this trend forming, and that is already formed on 15 minutes. So they are seeing this as a continuation of the trend. So yeah, when it gets to this point, we knew that something might happen there as a trap. That's why we sold this euro dollar. It's just that our timing was a bit off, but the whole idea why we wanted to sell now, I think, makes sense to everyone. This German calls for continuation, the way I said. Let's see the spread on this. If we take a buy on 5 minutes, spread is also not too bad. Spread is not too bad at all. Spread is not too bad at all on German there. I don't know, but for me this calls for a buy. Sure. But this NAS 100, you know, the way it's struggling at this level. Oh, I'm conflicted there because they both fall under indices, right? And what I like doing is that if I do one thing on one indices, like if I do one thing on Nasdaq, I would want to do the same thing on German food. So I just don't like how we are not finding strength to the upside here on NAS 100, and on the other hand I'm looking at this German for a buy, because for me it looks like it might be a trap, but maybe let me wait for 22,092. Gold is above 2,800. Look at that on the gold, man. Okay, so since we broke above this level here, there's no way I can look for those continuation for those selling opportunities, right? I don't know, man, but I think I would want to buy this thing. To be honest with you, I think I would want to buy German 40. As for Nasdaq, I'm not convinced why it's still playing in this place, because in my opinion, mostly when we have this, I mean, this acts as a key significant area. We are chilling there and we are not going upwards at all. So this might be that this can continue to the downside, right? So I'm conflicted there. What's your take? Let me know in the comment section there. Aaron is saying if gold doesn't break to 855, I think we should buy it. Yeah, I think it's a good idea for buying opportunities there on gold. But as for NAS, I think I want to sell it, man. In and out. Sure. This thing moves like hell, eh? Look at this. And I don't want to chase it. I want to make sure that I don't chase this thing. I really don't want to chase it. Look at it go. Taking a sell at this point will be chasing it, to be honest. If you just join us, please like the stream. WTI down by 1%. We're still good on Bitcoin. We are now at 95,000. Remember, our TP is at 91,800. This is where we have our TP on. I think I want that Nasdaq sell. I think I still want it. I think I still want it. What's your take, guys? So the market will be opening just now. I think the only thing I have at the moment on my sticky note is gold and German. Sure, it'll be too risky to take it, but sometimes we just have to do what we have to. So the conflict that I have in my head is this German and NAS 100, right? Because NAS I'm seeing sells there, and German I want to buy it, man. I'm gonna wait for the next candle to open up. I think I'm gonna buy this. Right, so let's have a look. Here's your account, guys. So if I buy this, for instance, now for those of you that say, Mr. President, we don't know how to calculate stop loss and whatnot, using a small account, it's impossible to do risk management with small account. This is the purpose of why we are having this account here, to show you that there's nothing like that. It's an excuse. You can always have a good proper risk management even on a small account. This is a $40 account, right? So your take profit, say I want to put my take profit maybe around this level here, okay, and my stop loss, because I want to buy, right? It's on buy. Put my stop loss just here. Okay, now the first thing you have to check is that your risk reward doesn't make sense at this point, right? The distance between your entry and your TP, and the distance between your entry and your TP and your stop loss more or less the same, right? So your risk reward already is bad. So if you want a better risk reward, you have to go a bit higher, right? Which is around $10. You are risking $5. So on this account, I think we are risking like 8 to 9% per trade, right? Which is a lot, by the way, which is a lot, but we do it for the sake of education. Not to say, guys, again, disclaimer, this is not financial advice, and this is not to say that $40 is not money. That's why we play around with it. We made a deposit on this account on a purpose of education, right? So as much as we don't have our feelings attached to it, I'm trying to educate you guys as much as I can that sometimes when you're even trading small money, it's all about your risk appetite, right? So if you put this on 0.05, it didn't update, let me see. Okay, let me put it here. Can you see what's going to happen? Your stop loss will be on $23. If you put it on 0.05, already your stop loss, and look at the points there. You're gonna be running this trade on 1,000. Estimated profit is $52, which is around 1,000 points, right? Now, going higher on your thingy doesn't help you with anything, right? So if I risk now $8 on a $40 account, it's a lot, right? It's still a lot. Okay. Someone was, is it Sibonel, was asking me a question if he puts 5,000 rand and whatnot, and I was like, what would be the purpose of that account? Let's start there. Right? So for me to 0.01 on this trade would make sense to buy this thing, but TP is already it's too high already. All right. So you can trade small account and have a proper risk on it. It's possible. It's possible. That gold is flying back up. Strong. It was down. Remember, this thing was down by 1%, man. This is amazing to see. See, when markets are this volatile, I like it. More opportunity for all of us. More opportunity for us to make money or cry. Mr. President, I'm patiently waiting on NAS 100 to end the confusion that is causing. Yeah, man. Volatility can come with a bit of confusion, right? I would love a reveal, and hopefully it can be a good one. This lady is saying, hello, MJ. I suggest that everyone stop trading at 1650 because there's going to be a serious volatility as far because of the Powell and oil. By the way, thank you for that. I forgot about that. Do we even have it on Forex Factory? Yeah, there is oil inventories and whatnot with Powell today. I forgot about that. Thank you so much. Oh my word, how do I remove this orange thing here? You see why I don't like using certain platforms, and I think I was saying this to Mjereza, that oh my word, I can't help it, I have to. I was saying to Mjereza that I don't want to use certain websites because they reveal such kind of things that we want to remove from our thing. They are not sponsoring our events. Why should they have this on our thing? That German buy is just in and out, my friend. You are in one night, they call it what? One night stand something, whatever they call it. In and out. In and out. Tangani said those who took buys on gold, are we all in profits, right? And Tangani is asking you guys a question there. Those who took buys on gold, where are you? Oof, it's flying nicely. You know, more especially with this rejection candle here, it's a nice confirmation, right above 2,884. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I got gold. Nice one there on German. Beautiful setup. We haven't looked at US30 now for quite some time. US30 doesn't have the strength to go up. If you just join us, please like the stream. And if you want me to assist you with your trading and join my team, like I always say, we don't charge a fee for that. If it's a group thing that we do, there is an Octa link there. Sign up sign up, make a deposit, let me know, let me add you on the group so that you can start learning as soon as tomorrow. By the way, guys, most of you are always asking me, what is this Choppers funded? We only have 98 members, right? It's not a big group where we have thousands of people. The bigger the group, the more it's difficult to manage. But when you're having 98 people that you are managing, it becomes easier, right? So it's not a big group, by the way. Don't be scared and say, look, there are many of these people. So this is what we normally do on this group: send our analysis, discuss things, you know. Whether you're a beginner, I'm not sure if you guys, those that are beginners, I'm not sure if they are having a class with Mr. Batelezi tomorrow night. I'm not sure. By the way, guys, if you want to trade WTI like a pro, go watch this video, this one here. Go watch it. I'm sure you guys have seen this, right? If you're on the private group, I think most of you here are on the private group. Go watch this. It's on YouTube, right? But it's private. Only people with the link are able to watch that. I'm basically explaining how I trade WTI. German is going, man. German is going. German is going nicely. Alright, choppers, can I be excused? Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Normally CPI we stream for like 60 minutes. Today I think we went way above that. We streamed for 80 minutes. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I'll see you guys on Friday. Tomorrow it's a Thursday. I'm shooting podcast with Top Trader South Africa, so I'll be shooting tomorrow, but I'm not gonna be available for a stream. Like I said, if you want to join our team, you know, the link is down below there. Sign up with the Octa. Let us know that you've signed up and we're going to add you in the group. My number is there. For those of you that say, Mr. President, I've already funded with Octa. It's fine. WhatsApp me. Right? WhatsApp me. You can WhatsApp me. It's never too late. It's never too late. Mutasa is saying hopefully I will join the chopper soon when I fund. Yeah, man, get your funding and yeah, join us, man. I can promise you that you won't regret it. I can promise you that you won't regret it, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you Friday morning. Friday morning we should be streaming. Tomorrow at 6 p.m. there will be a video on psychology. Check it out as well, right? So yeah, thank you so much, guys. Have a blessed evening. Don't forget to pray and be grateful to God for what you have. There's still more to come. From your president, I'm out.